Vaccination against shingles may delay or potentially prevent dementia, according to a recent study published in Nature Medicine. The study suggests that the newer shingles vaccine, named Shingrix, could be more effective at delaying or preventing dementia than its predecessor Zostavax. While previous research linked shingles vaccination to reduce dementia risk, this study specifically compared the two vaccines and found that Shingrix was associated with a 17% longer period without a dementia diagnosis over 6 years. Shingles is caused by the reactivation of the chickenpox virus in older individuals. It can lead to a painful rash and complications. Both vaccines offer protection against shingles, with Shingrix being the recommended option for older individuals. While the exact mechanism behind this potential protective effect is not yet clear, researchers hypothesize that it could be related to the herpes-zoster virus's role in promoting dementia, or possibly due to the vaccine's ingredients designed to boost the immune response. While these findings are promising, experts emphasize the need for additional research to confirm the link and understand the underlying mechanisms. Apart from itching, tingling, and painful rash, shingles can cause severe nerve pain, which may persist even after the rash clears up, a condition known as post-herpetic neuralgia. Shingles is more common in older adults and those with weakened immune systems. Vaccination can help reduce the risk of developing shingles and its associated complications.